The Anti-Tamper Care Alarm is a helpful assistant for carers. This care alarm can only be reset by remote control or a reset key. This eliminates the risk of the alarm being turned off without the carer's knowledge. This series of anti-tamper alarms comes with different functions, including a magnetic pull cord sensing function, a sensor pad monitoring function, both a magnetic pull cord and sensor pad monitoring function, and a nurse call activation function for connecting the alarm to an institution's or hospital's own nurse call system. The anti-tamper alarm includes the following as standard: alarm unit offering sensor mat, magnetic switch, and nurse call functions, infrared remote control, reset key, magnetic switch with cleanable pull cord, hanging hook, wall mount. A nurse call cable is optionally available. Instructions to set up the alarm. Loosen the screw and open the back of the remote control. Observe the polarity +- marking and insert a CR2032 lithium battery. Make a note of the pairing code. Replace the back cover and tighten the screw. Locate the battery door at the back of the alarm and loosen the screw to open the door. Observe the polarity +- marking. Insert 4 AA alkaline batteries. Select immediate alarm or 2 seconds delay alarm. The delay alarm will allow the patient to readjust themselves without triggering an alert. Note: always use the immediate alarm for the floor mat. Select alarm tone or silent alarm. This mode prevents the alarm from making any sound and should only be used when connected to a nurse call system. Select monitor mode if available on your unit. For pressure sensor mat, select chair or bed so the alarm sounds when a patient removes pressure from the sensor mat. Select floor mode and the alarm sounds when a patient applies pressure to the sensor mat. Plug in the sensor mat and lock the cable. Sensor mat is optionally available. For the magnetic switch pull cord, place the magnetic switch on the sensor compartment provided at the front of the alarm and select magnet. The alarm will sound if the magnetic switch is pulled off from the sensor compartment. You may adjust the alarm volume by using the volume switch at the side of the alarm. Double-check to make sure the ID code of the alarm is the same as the ID code on the remote control unit. If using with a compatible nurse call system, connect the alarm to the nurse call system with a nurse call cable. Test the alarm to ensure settings are correct and the alarm functions as intended. Replace battery door and tighten the screw to secure. The alarm is now ready for use. The alarm can be mounted on the handle of a wheelchair using the S-shape hanging hook. The alarm can also be mounted on the wall using the wall mount base. To detach the alarm from the wall mount or the hanging hook, simply hold the alarm with both hands. Push on the locking bar with your thumbs while pulling the alarm with your other fingers. For monitoring purposes, after mounting the alarm properly, place the sensor as follows. The bed sensor mat should be placed under the patient's shoulder so that when he or she sits up or moves significantly, the alarm will sound. For magnetic pull cord monitoring, the specially designed locking clip will provide added security. Attach the clip to the individual's clothing. ensure that he or she cannot become entangled in or easily remove the cord. Adjust the pull cord to desired length and tidy any excess. There are 3 LED lights at the front of the alarm. A flashing green LED light indicates the alarm is operating. The yellow LED light will flash to provide a visual indication to the carer when an alarm is triggered. This function is particularly useful for the silent alarm when using the nurse call function. A flashing red LED light indicates the battery level is low and the battery should be replaced as soon as possible. When the alarm sounds, the alarm unit can only be reset using the remote control. If you do not have immediate access to the remote control, you can also use the reset key or a pointed object to press the reset button. The remote control offers 2 functions. When you press the reset button, it will stop the alarm sound and reset the alarm unit to the standby mode. For the chair or bed sensor mat, the alarm will automatically go into monitor mode as soon as the person under care is repositioned on the chair or bed sensor mat. For the floor mat setting, resetting the alarm will immediately put the alarm in monitor mode. Make sure there is no pressure on the floor sensor mat when resetting the alarm. For the magnetic pull cord setting, the alarm will automatically go to monitor mode when the pull cord magnet is replaced. Press the suspend button to deactivate any alarm sound and put the alarm into the suspend mode. This suspend function is useful for small tasks, such as adjusting bed or repositioning the individual without triggering an alarm. The alarm will not sound for a predetermined time regardless of the sensor condition. At the end of the suspend time, the alarm will automatically enter monitor mode. The default suspend time is 30 seconds and is activated by a single press of the suspend button. When you do this, the alarm will respond with 1 beep. If you press hold on the suspend button, the suspend time will be extended to 60 seconds with 2 beeps, 120 seconds with 3 beeps, and 240 seconds with 4 beeps. Then, it will start over again. Release the suspend button when you hear the desired number of beeps. The alarm is powered by 4 AA alkaline batteries for maximum portability. For example, on a wheelchair. You also have the option of using an AC power adapter. If batteries are installed while the AC power supply is connected at the same time, the batteries will act as a backup should the AC power supply fail. The AC power adapter isn't optionally available. For the patient's safety, the alarm cannot be turned off, ensuring they are monitored at all times. Inserting the batteries will give the alarm a power source and turn it on. To extend battery life, remove batteries when not in use. Exhausted batteries could leak and damage the alarm. More details on our range of alarms and the reassurance they can offer is available on our website and in our demonstration videos.